So I manifested winning tickets the other day on our country radio station through iHeartRadio, and I'm going to explain what happened. So they had been giving away tickets for Paw Patrol Live, and my niece and my nephew are obsessed with Paw Patrol. And my sister had been trying for days and days to try to win the tickets so she could take them with her husband to go and see Paw Patrol Live. So she calls me up and she says, "Steph, can you try to win these tickets for us?" And you know me, I said, "No problem, let's do this." So she's like, "You need to answer this joke. You need to call at 8:10 and you have to answer this kid's joke." And I said, "No problem, I'm going to get the tickets for them." And she knows me. I am a master manifester. So all of a sudden, 8:10 rolls around, I call, and then the phone's ringing. Next thing you know, they answer and they tell me to answer the joke. And here my sister is texting me, "Did you win? Did you win?" And I'm texting her that I won. She's like, "Yeah, right." I said, "Oh yeah, you're going to hear me on the radio." And here's a little clip of it.
Hey, what the heck is this?
Stephanie?
Bethany or Stephanie?
Stephanie.
Stephanie. Got some kids that are fans of the Paw Patrol?
Yes, my niece and nephew love Paw Patrol.
So later on, when my niece and nephew got out of school, I surprised them and told them that they are going to Paw Patrol. I mean, I wish that it was some Luke Combs or Morgan Wallen tickets for me, but I love to make my niece and nephew happy, and that was a cute little manifestation that happened. I hope that you all have a great day today. Follow me for more tips.